Bing bong, bing bing bong, bing bong, bing bing bong, bing bong. Bing bong, bing bing bong, bing bong, bing bing bong, bing bing.
Alright, so what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna act like some really tough truckers. Not truckers, motorcyclists, and we're gonna go through the thing while we're all tripled up on the mini bike. No.
I'll go up this high.
This is crazy. Just get here, wait, you gotta open up voicemail.
Bro, I don't like this. Alright. Take one, alright, you guys all ready? Hold on, wait, go. Oh my god. Slow. Okay, I can't. There's no slow. What do we want? I don't know, 3 waters? Hello? Can I get 8 large waters, please? Excuse me. You have sundaes?
Yes, we do, but we don't have the chocolate. We only have plain or Oreo chops.
I'd like an Oreo, please. Yeah, the 8 waters. Move over. Oh.
Do you wanna say hi to the video? You guys wanna say hi?
Don't speak English.
Hola, para la video.
Hola.
Hola.
Okay, no. In the bed.
Yeah, in the bed. Yeah, in the bed.
Right. Thank you.
What's up, guys? Today we have a skimboard. Peter's little foilboard right there. Follow Pete Foils on TikTok. We're gonna go out on his jet ski, get some cool shots, take the drone out. Hopefully Charlie can go as fast as he can on the skimboard.
Turn the camera on.
Yeah, let's get Sandy in this thing.
I don't think I got myself in frame at all.
Alright guys, we're out here. We got Peter, Charlie. The skimboard was too sketchy for today because we have no handle on the rope and barely any rope. So Charlie's gonna learn how to fold it for the first time.
We'll see.
And Peter's just gonna send it. You try some jumps, right?
Like a 360.
We got the foil right here.
Yeah, weren't you saying you wanted to try flips on a foil?
Yeah.
That sounds ridiculous to me.
I can only do it off like a wave. Off a wave.
Off a wave? I don't know about
if
that.
we did this like out there, then where the big yachts are, we could try and find a wave, but not today.
Goes cruising just as fast as she can now, and she'll have fun till her daddy takes a tea.
Charlie's gonna start on his knees, and then from there, once he gains speed, this board's pretty floaty, so he can go pretty slow, and he'll put his feet in and then stand up.
Well, where is the standard? Cause she walks, looks and drives like an ace. You walk like an ace now, you walk like an ace. She makes the Indy 500 look like a Roman chariot race. You look like an ace now, you look like an ace. A lot of guys try to catch her, but she leads them on a wild goose chase. And she'll have fun till her daddy takes a T-bird away. Fun till her daddy takes a T-bird away. Well, you knew all along that your dad was.
Guys, this is Florida just gone wrong. The jet ski broke down and we have Peter kicking it all the way to land over there. It's about a quarter mile and you know, we got a lot to go. But he looks cute right now.
Well, where is the standard? Cause she walks, looks and drives like.
Hi, my name is Evan and this is my debut in Florida Drift.